Hello, my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and I totally apologize because this is my second time doing this video, because the first time I realized that I had the envelope laying here with my address showing everyone. So I wanted to come and share with you that I received my wishes package from Alicia. And I want to say thank you to all the ladies who participated in providing wishes for not just me, but everyone. Crafting with Lily and Aura, who is the Paper Treasury, Deb Hendrick, and Hope, who is Hope's Heavenly Creations, I believe. And there may have been one other one. I apologize if I left someone out, but I wanted to share with you what I got. And the first thing that I got was this awesome die that is like a gaming thing. It's got a little gaming controller here, and it's got like the monitor, and it's got the "You Got Game" words on it. This is really awesome, and I'm gonna be able, I might even be able to convince my grandson to craft with me with this. So thank you very much. And I also got some really pretty bling that is like iridescent black, which is turning purple and blue and green, and this awesome shape here. This is really awesome. I really enjoy using these, especially in my backgrounds on my cards and stuff. So these are super awesome. Thank you very much. And of course, y'all know I love flowers. And these are the little birdie flowers, of which I didn't even know about until Cruz sent me some, and I was like, where have you been all my life? But, these are some really pretty purple and blue ones that all the ladies sent. And then I also received some of this super awesome metallic wax in aged brass, which I think I'm really excited to use this. I have always wanted to try this and haven't had any. I have tried in one of my Facebook groups that I was in before I started doing YouTube a lot. We had a wishes thing there, and a lady sent me some of the icing paste, which I was very excited to use, and I really like it. I got it in rose gold, but it doesn't do like the waxes, and it dries really fast, so you have to use it fast and know where you're going to use it. You can't really play with it. So while I do like it, I've been really, you know, anticipating using the wax, and now I have some that I can use, and I think that is super awesome. And I got some liquid pearls in purple. Now, I had a couple bottles of liquid pearls, but I didn't have purple. I think I had like a creamy yellow color, and I know I've got like a titanium silver color, but I didn't have a purple, and this is super awesome. Thank you. Matter of fact, this will come in handy on something I'm working on right now. And also, I got these super awesome cut-aparts that Alicia is sending everyone, and these are the Authentic Endless. And the first time I was like, antique-y, but they're vintage style, and they are super cute. I really like these, and I have only had one pad of Authentic, and it's a thin pad. I think there's only like 10 sheets in it that I found at a thrift store, but all the pages are glossy. It's like photo paper. It's kind of weird, and I just assumed that all Authentic paper was glossy like that, but I'm seeing now that it's not. So this is really cool, and it's got these really cute vintage images on it, and some saying, "Summer is when laziness finds respectability." And then it's got some really cute little girls. This one's riding a dragonfly. It's so cute. and bicycles. This kind of reminds me of like Raggedy Ann and Andy. I don't know why. But these are some super cute vintage. Isn't that just precious? In summer, the song sings itself. And then the cute little boy and girl. These are just awesome. Little girl with the curls. That's the way my curls were when I was little. It's not like that anymore. But these are, look how darling that is. I just love these. Thank you so much. And the butterfly and the flowers. Flowers. So I got those, and I might try to do the cut apart challenge. And then Alicia sent me one of her cards that she did with the mason jar, which is super pretty. That she did, and she has put some background paper on here, and she's distressed all the edges, and she's got it's almost like she took some of the shred stuff and shredded it more and put it back here. I am not sure what this is. It's an iridescent fiber. It's not eyelash trim, but it's really cool, whatever it is. And she put some like twine around the top of the jar, and she's got this little rose ribbon here with some ribbon there. And these flowers, I don't know if you can see, but they are super glittery. You can see a little bit, can't you? Let me get them real super close so you can see. See all that glitter on there? They are sparkly. And then she's got this really pretty little gem piece in here with the pearl. Super pretty. And she wrote me a beautiful message inside. Thank you, Alicia. And I feel exactly the same about you, lady. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. So, that is what I got in my envelope of We Wishes. And I thank all of the ladies for this. This is super awesome. And thank you, Alicia, for sending it all out. And while I am here, I also want to bring your attention to a few of the ladies who have completed the Think Outside the Box challenge. Now, not everyone has done it yet because a lot of people have been sick. A lot of people have been super busy. Things have come up, which happens to all of us, so that's not a big deal. But 3 of the ladies that I know of have completed it, and I think they did a super awesome job. And I'm going to link their videos below, and on the end screen and up on the little eye, I'm going to put the original video where I am challenging everyone. And anyone can do this challenge. I didn't have to tag you for you to do it. And Miss Brittney at BBZ Crafts did my challenge, and she come up with a very unique, beautiful idea, and her video will be linked below. Miss Donna Dreams ×3, she really pulled it out of the box, and you're not gonna believe what she created. You have got to see this. So Miss Donna Dreams ×3 video will be below of what she created. And Miss Susan Tootsie Tucker, I think she fell out of the box and into the deep end because she really blew it out of the water, y'all. And you have got to see this one. So I am going to link all 3 of those videos below. My original video will be up at the eye and the end screen. You can go see that, and anybody can do it, y'all. I want everybody to chip in, and let's all start thinking outside of the box and try to come up with some new, innovative things that we can create and swap and challenge each other with. And when you do one, tag somebody and see if you can really get this going. So, thank you to the ladies who have already finished their Think Outside of the Box challenge. Thank you to the ladies who are going to do it. I know everyone hasn't been able to do it yet, so there'll be more to come. And I'm going to create a playlist with everyone who does the challenge. I'm going to put their video in this playlist so you can just click on them and go down. And also, if I have not commented, if you have done it and I have not commented underneath your video in the comment section about it, do me a favor and come back and let me know you've done it on your channel underneath the original video that I link up here, because I did not realize when I said use the hashtag Think Outside the Box Challenge, I did not realize that there were so many people already using that hashtag. So if y'all do it, come back and let me know you did it, because I'm trying to search for it, but I tell you, there's a lot coming up with that hashtag. So anyway, thank you to the ladies who have done it. Thank you to the ladies who are gonna do it. And everybody, come on, join in. Let's come up with some really cool, interesting things like the ladies down below have already done. So thank y'all. Y'all have a crafty day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.